Hi there, this morning we are in the Pacific Palisades. We are just south of Malibu. We're along the Pacific Ocean. We are just west of Bel Air and Beverly Hills and just north of Santa Monica. We're going to take a drive around the downtown area, maybe take a little walk, take a look at some of the shops, take a look at some of the views and some real estate. Hope you enjoy. Right now I'm on Sunset Boulevard, headed westbound, coming from Beverly Hills. A little windy road here on Sunset Boulevard. I like the Pacific Palisades because it does have a decent little downtown with shops, restaurants, cafes, and you have houses here. Not only do they have spectacular views like Bel Air, Beverly Hills, which have some ocean views, but the Pacific Palisades has an abundance of homes right near the ocean, so you have a larger percentage of homes here that do have ocean views. The homes in this neighborhood run roughly $2 million and up. I mean, you can spend whatever you want here. You can buy a lot and build up. I mean, they have some older homes here, fixers. You might be able to grab something for $1.5 million. I mean, a single family home, but and here we are entering into the downtown area of Pacific Palisades. We just passed a Coldwell banker, all kinds of cool little shops. We'll take a look around as well. Well, here we are. We found parking pretty easy. Got a lot of public parking here on the street. Take a walk around and look at some of the shops in the area. Here we have Hank's Restaurant. It's only about 11:15 this morning. Doesn't look like people are out having lunch just yet. Since the theater isn't open, they use the entryway to the theater here in Pacific Palisades as dining. Well, that was a nice little shopping center. Now we're back over on Sunset Boulevard, where the main drag is running through here from the Pacific Ocean on inland into Beverly Hills, Bel Air, West Hollywood, Hollywood. We have some more shops across the street. What kind of car here in Pacific Palisades? It's a Range Rover. You can see they issue them out here. That's all they allow. If you don't drive a Range Rover, they issue a ticket. Oh, they let a Lexus in here. How did that thing get in here? Well, I think that's enough shopping. Let's take a quick little jaunt over to the Pacific Coast Highway, and you can see the ocean from Pacific Palisades. And as we drive down this road, you can already see the ocean in the background. And here we are. There is the Pacific Ocean right off of Temescal Canyon Road, which we were just on. Now we are on the Highway 1 Pacific Coast Highway. There's lots of spots to park over here. They have pretty much ample parking. On the right is the Bel Air Bay Club, right across the street from the ocean. And just to the north, we are approaching Malibu, California. So that concludes our Pacific Palisades tour. I hope you enjoyed it. We got to see some cool shopping, shops, cafes, restaurants, and just a tad of real estate. I hope you enjoyed. This video is brought to you by Darrell.Reeves with Coldwell Banker Realty. Here's my contact information. If you know of anybody looking to buy or sell a home, if you could pass on my information, it would be much appreciated. And also, if you could like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can click on my face down on the right to subscribe to my page for more videos to come about real estate and travel. And for more videos, you can click on any of these videos. After you watch these, at the end, you'll see links to more travel and real estate videos around Southern California. Thanks for watching.